Hey guys, so I have been completely laid up with a cold for the past couple of days. I know I mentioned it a couple of days ago, but I was just definitely too sick to induce more sneezes. I was already getting enough as it is, but I am on the mend officially. And as you can hear, maybe still a little bit congested and stuffed up, so I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to use Chhinkni for its intended purpose. I just hope it's not too messy, or I don't know that I've really taken Chhinkni when I'm all stuffed up. So it'll be a new experience, so I hope it doesn't go horribly wrong. So let's see. Okay, I think I can feel it. Okay. I took a little bit more. Oh God, yeah. Achoo! 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 Oh. Achoo! Achoo! Oh gosh. Oh. 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 Achoo! Oh God. Oh, I think tissues. Whew. Well, I guess that worked. Oh. Still feels a little bit tickly. Oh, bless me. I'm not sure if that helped or not, but it was kind of fun.